hope everyone can see my screen if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, screen is visible.
So we will be, excuse me. So we will be working on a bit of the Terraform, AWS, Azure if needed, Kubernetes, Docker, SonarQube, and Git. So these are all the tools and services where we will be giving a hands-on. Okay. So I'll be sharing this PPT with you all. This PPT will be an introductory PPT. For me to share this PPT to you all, I suggest you people to share me your email address in the WhatsApp group, which may help me to share my drive. Okay. So let me directly go to the video. I have a presentation video for you. Please wait. If it is not audible, please let me know.
It kind of annoys me how much of a buzzword DevOps is, but how ambiguously it's usually defined. DevOps is the art of deploying software quickly. Simple as that. For more context, think of the role of the DevOps engineer starting where coding ends. Right when an application developer, in other words, coder, is done with her code, she makes a commit to a code integration tool like GitHub. The commit triggers a workflow defined by a DevOps engineer that will make the app dev changes available to the customers quickly. Of course, after a software change is planned, an ideal DevOps pipeline will start at a code integration tool which facilitates concurrent writes to the same codebase, tests and scans the code and produces an executable, deploys the application in a scalable and secure manner, tests the deployment now, and sets up monitoring. A great DevOps engineer will also present this process as an easy to configure workflow to the developers. Usually this is done by the DevOps team predetermining that editing specific files in a GitHub repo will cause slight changes in the pipeline. For example, the DevOps engineer tells the app developer to put in tests in the test directory, which he then automates.
I believe everyone just gone through the video. Did you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Was the audio audible?
Yeah, it was.
Okay. So, so this is a bit of a definition of what this DevOps is. Usually, this is a SDLC model that I have presented here. But what this DevOps does, this DevOps helps us to get planned with each and every step of the operations and deployment or whatever functionality we do. It helps us to get scheduled. Even more than scheduling, it helps us to go and fix errors right where the error pops up. When initially earlier like maybe 10 years back, these people whenever there is an error pop up, it is a bit difficult for them to go and find the origin of the error. So when this DevOps methodology pop up, it was helping us to go and find the origin of the error and rectify very quickly. And this DevOps not only helps in error rectification or troubleshooting, it does helps us in many other ways like easy deployment, automating, continuous integration and continuous deployment, and more and on. So, so as you all, I can see that most of you are professionals already here. So I believe you people does know the advantages of DevOps, if I'm not wrong. Yes, please be responsive.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, so collaborating with the team was a bit of a difficult task when it comes to this project deployment or delivery. So, when this DevOps pops in, this particular delivery and the communication between the teams are also made simplified and made easier for them to like like using a Git repository, using a Docker image, using any other common platform, and any other common platform such as cloud platform, let us say Azure, AWS, GCP, Oracle IB, Oracle DB, IBM Cloud, Samsung Cloud, etc. So there are many common platforms which are involved in collaborating this team. So this work is far more easier here, simplified here. So bridging the gap between developers and operation teams that that I mentioned here. So tools like Jenkins, Ansible, Docker, Terraform are used here. So how this DevOps cycle works? So this is how it works. So this works like this. See, as an image on a GIF image presented here, you can see here. See, plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, monitor. So each and every stage, it will be crossing through each and every service or a tool. So here, you will be able to see a service called SonarQube. So this service, this particular tool or service called SonarQube, what it does help us to check the vulnerability, check the cyber threats, check any other bugs or errors which is harmful for the deployment right away. So things like SonarQube or there are many other sort of tools and services like Minikube, etc., will help us stop the particular function when there is a harmful particle or a harmful vulnerable file uh, or anything of that sort. Okay, so each and every DevOps stage does cross through a particular tool or service, and it is used for us to make the process simplified, cost optimization, time optimization, and obviously yes, we are going to optimize the employment also. The number of persons who are involved in this DevOps are very meager. So there is no particular, I believe there is no particular big team for DevOps. There may be a big development team. There may be a big testing team. There may be even SRE team or any other team. But DevOps team will be a little bit a smaller team compared to those team. Why? Because the service or like optimized service we provide, tool based service we provide, which will be for which we will be working 2 to 4 members work at a time stretch. So these are all the benefits of this particular DevOps, and here I present this roadmap of this DevOps. You can have a look, you people can have a look here. Vital knowledges like Linux and any scripting language like Python or any shell scripting is a bit mandatory for us to write the pipeline syntax, for us to automate Jenkins in DevOps. Okay. Networking concepts like understanding the port and modifying the port numbers is bit mandatory here again. So you can all have a look here. You can all have a look here. The roadmap of DevOps. Can you all, is my screen visible? Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Take a couple of minutes for you to observe this image. See, DevOps works by bridging the gap between developers and operation teams using automation tools like Jenkins, Ansible, Docker, Terraform. So automate code integration and testing. Obviously, Jenkins is one of the popular automation tools. What is this automating? This is automating a complete deployment. It is automating a complete delivery, or it is automating any other hosting. Hosting that comes like web hosting, software deployment, or any other deployment or delivery. So it can be automated using Jenkins. So you can see here scripting, network basics, YAML for configuration, YAML or any other file for configuration. YAML is widely used, so it is mandatory for us to understand this YAML or JSON or anything. Git and GitHub. Kubernetes for us to balance the load, for us to make substitutes for our projects. Virtualization of container. So, or for us to optimize the space and the memory, we do use Kubernetes here. Then cloud fundamentals. Obviously, we do need a common platform, any common platform in this case. So, we will be using cloud platform, any cloud platform. I prefer AWS. Why? Because it does have many services in one platform. Then
Will we also
CI/CD.
be, sorry, question. Will we also be looking at like a elastic Kubernetes service as a part of this?
Would you mind to repeat?
Yeah, will we also be looking at something like EKSA, like you mentioned AWS, right?
Yes, yes, Elastic Kubernetes Service.
Yeah, so that is also something we'll be covering as a part of this.
If you want, we can go ahead because they have a limited source of knowledge to be transferred. Somehow, yes, we will have a hands on that too. Not a
Okay,
big deal.
that'd be great. That'd be great. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so can I proceed?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you. So Git actions and so GitLab. So what is this Git action? So branching multiple functions at the same time. So proceeding or pushing multiple items at the same time will be performed by this Git actions. Okay. So infrastructure, you all know this Terraform code as service. Yes, can be done here. Monitoring tools. So what is this monitoring tools? So tools which like a Grafana or whatever tools will be helped will be used by us for this monitoring. So monitoring in the sense we'll be monitoring the particular production, we'll be monitoring the project. Will likewise there is a service called CloudWatch in AWS. We can alternatively we can use Grafana or any other tool or monitoring tool in that case for following the workflow, for following the log, the work log, for monitoring the editing or committing. So anything that is changed, anything that the action is performed can be monitored. Okay. So this will be like a 70 percentage of DevOps roadmap for what I have explained. So apart from that, we will be managing port, we will be managing server like virtual servers. So this is how we this is what we will be working with the session and we'll be covering in this particular DevOps session. Okay, guys. Guys, do you all follow? Are you all able to follow? Please be responsive.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So since it's the first day of the class, I'll complete with this part. Okay. So for me to share this particular PPT, I advise everyone to share your email address so that I can grant access for this particular slide. This slide will be your introductory slide and the main slide for which this technical terminologies are there will be shared on task basis. My sessions will be working on task basis. Each and every day I'll be performing a task and I'll be asking you people to work the same task in another hand, and I wanted you people to take a screenshot of the task that you are doing simultaneously with me and post it in the group. So this is how our sessions will work. Okay. Agreed, everyone? Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Because I believe in this hands-on, rather going slides, rather giving some practical and technical explanation. Even Google can give it. So it is much better for us to try task-based in the class. So I prefer this method. So any questions, anybody? Do I have anyone to ask questions? Just a moment. Guys, please check whether the link that I have shared is been accessible by everyone. Please double check, please. Am I audible? Everyone, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So please check the link whether it is working fine. So that will be a bit of an introductory PPT that I have shared. For any pressure, it would help. Anyone, please share your screen and let me know whether you are accessible in the link. Let me stop sharing my screen.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see. Thank you, Mr. Kundu. Okay. So, guys, everyone, please go through this particular PPT for the introductory or introductory part. So, other than that, I'll be sharing you the technical PPT. This is Mr. Sorry, Mr. Sandil. Can I share my screen for a moment?
Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Thank you. So, this would be the technical PPT. You all can see. We'll be having the definitions of what is this collaboration, what is automation, what is continuous integration, infrastructure as code, and monitoring feedback. As we were discussing what and how and why we were using this DevOps, those in-depth definitions and technical definitions will be uh, in this PPT. So I will be sharing this PPT in the mid of the session. Why? Because or else slide by slide I'll be sharing it to avoid any confusions. So this is the overview. This is Git operations and Git functions that we will be having a look on. How many of you have this Git account already? Please raise up your hands. Whoever is having Git already, please raise your hand. Yes, Shravani is having Git already. Mr. Regin, Mr. Regin, okay, Hina is having
Hello.
uh, it already. Yes, Mr. Regin, do you have a GitHub account already?
Actually, it's in my office email ID. So I have not created my personal.
Okay, okay, okay. Just for me to know, that's all. Okay, thank you. So we will be creating a GitHub account personally for each and everyone for us to practice. And we will be creating a Docker account as well as we will be creating a Jenkins account. And I suggest any you people to go for any one of the cloud platform and create this how would I say an AWS account or else an Azure account for us to give hands-on on the server like EC2 or virtual machine. So which will be a real hands-on. So today's session, that is not going to be a much of an task basis or knowledge base. Today I will be sharing you Ubuntu Linux machine to you all, granting access. I'll show it to you. Please wait. Excuse me. Sorry. Just a moment. There is a software, virtualware, and an Oracle virtualware, and a Ubuntu OS for which I will be granting access, and you people can go and installing it in your machines. Let me check and grant you this access, please. Whoever haven't sent the email address, which I was asking yesterday, please forward your email address in the WhatsApp group so that I can grant access. So we are going to set up a virtual. We will be requiring Ubuntu for us to perform certain accesses in this Git, certain functions in Jenkins. So we will be requiring this Git. If it is going to be something from Tortoise or some sort of software like what Mr. Redin was mentioning yesterday, we will not be requiring it. For now, this is the methodology most of the companies using. So we will be practicing the same Linux based and comments based Git transfer. So Git or Jenkins operations and functions. So for us to perform certain Git Linux based functions, we must have Ubuntu or any other Linux OS. So I will be sharing you Ubuntu OS through which you can install this in your machine. Okay. Sorry, how many of you did send Vijay? Good morning, everyone. So, last class we were trying to install the Ubuntu server, Ubuntu local machine in our local platform. So, how many of you were successful with that? If anyone could help me answer, can you please share your screen? Who is willing to share your screen?
I can share my screen.
Yeah, because my range is a bit low here, so I prefer someone to share. And people who ever not who is not ever having access, please let me know so that I can grant access right away on the call.
Ma'am, I don't have access.
Okay, please, would you mind
I don't have
repinging the
access, ma'am.
message with your email? Would you mind repinging the message with your email, please?
Can you repeat it again, ma'am?
Would you mind repinging your email address, please?
Yes, yes.
No, I have downloaded that link and I'm getting these folders.
Okay, it is installed in DVD drive form. Okay, it is supposed to, you have, it is much better if we download it in Vimware, sorry, extracted files kind of thing. It's okay, let me show you. Please wait. The downloading format should be different. Okay. Okay. Please bear with me a moment.
Yeah.
At the meantime, please reping your email address. Whoever have not received the access, please reping. Okay, Mr. Chidambaram, Roshan, Jeshia, Hina, Bala, Manivannan, Mr. Rahul, Mr. Pawan haven't received the access, right? Okay, let me grant the access. Please bear with me a moment. Others, please try to go to the drive and try to download the OS in a different format, in the extracted format, please. The zip file format.
Hi ma'am, I have a VMware workstation on Ubuntu. Is it okay for that?
Sorry, please come again.
I have Ubuntu on a VMware workstation. Is it okay for that?
You are mentioning that you already have a virtualware and a
Yeah.
Ubuntu. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
If you're having it
Okay.
already, why would we do it again? That's okay.
Oh, okay ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, let me grant access and come back. Please bear with me a moment. While in the meantime, I believe everyone have marked your attendance in the WhatsApp group. Have you? Have you all?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, CentOS will work or not?
CentOS will work, but we do have certain complications with common general installations and general comments. That is all. Maybe a few comments may change. That's all.
Should I install the Ubuntu or should I go ahead with CentOS because I have CentOS virtual box?
If you can partition and add up an Ubuntu, it is much better. You can go ahead.
Okay.
Or else, if you prefer CentOS, that is also fine. But there is an option for you to add another or different OS, right? So if you have an
Yes, yes.
option to add a different OS, you can add in this Ubuntu, which we are commonly using. Or else, if you wanted to go with CentOS, that is all right.
Okay, I'll try to create one more virtual machine. If that happens, that's okay.
Virtual machine is going to be same. You are going to add in another partition OS.
Okay.
Guys, I have granted access for those who have sent email address. Please check the link that I have shared to you right now. Can any one of you please share your screen and let me know how it works? Please check your answers again. Mr. Who has shared the screen, if I may
I
ask?
have shared it already.
Mr. Rajin, yes, thank you. Mr. Rajin, is it possible for you to go back to the drive and give us a proper demonstration of how you downloaded and the extract options or anything like that? Can you please?
Yes. From means you are asking to download from the initial stage or
Yeah, we can go for direct link. Okay, download. Click on download, please.
download in English.
Sound doesn't find. Okay, download an image. Please click on your download button.
Yeah, I have clicked it. It's downloading.
No. On the right side. Yes. Please click onto it. Download that. It's giving you drive. Okay, so DVD drive. Okay, please wait. Please wait.
Actually, I already downloaded it. Can I delete that old downloaded files folder?
Yes. People, you all can do the same. If you're still facing issue, let me send another email. Okay, Mr. Regin, the can I send you a email, an extracted file email? You can give it a try. Okay, you please delete these two Ubuntu's. You please delete all the Ubuntu's that you have already downloaded. Okay, please wait. Bear with me a moment. Mr. Regin Jones 94 at gmail.com. That's your email address, right?
Yeah, yes, correct. Actually, I can't able to delete the old file.
What is it showing, please? That's because please uninstall the virtualware, then we please uninstall this file. I think you have installed everything in your C drive itself. That is the reason. So you might have installed everything in your C drive itself. Did you? Guys, for your kind information, please make a partition of your drive. Then maintain a particular drive for this particular virtualware and Ubuntu that is not safer, which won't disturb your source files or any other important files.
It's again downloading from the chat.
You can pause it. You can pause it. Please bear with me. Mr. Regin, if you do not mind, let me share the screen for just 2 minutes, and I'll cut off. After which you can continue sharing the screen. Okay? Just a minute.
Okay.
Can you please bear with me? So guys, I have forwarded you a link from where you can download this particular Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version. So you can I have forwarded this link in the WhatsApp group. So please go ahead and start downloading this Ubuntu, which may help you also. This is maybe option number C, from where you can download your Ubuntu. And the VirtualBox, please install your VirtualBox first, then then download this Ubuntu. Let me share you the link for VirtualWare as well. Is the VirtualWare link working properly for everyone? Is the VirtualWare link working properly for everyone, guys? Mr. Regin, Mr. Regin, let me stop sharing my screen. Will you please share your screen and show us your Oracle VirtualWare box?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Can I download it again, or means I have deleted the old one which you shared?
The VirtualWare or the OS? Can you please show me your VirtualWare, please?
I'm not sure. Can
I
you
don't
guide me?
think that's downloaded. You want him to download Oracle VM box, is it?
Yeah, I'm talking about Oracle VMbox.
Yeah,
Not yet downloaded.
Okay, please download it, sir. I believe I have shared and granted access for everyone, and have shared the link for VMware as well.
Where it is?
It's not really 50 games, please wait.
you.